bales. We just thought we'd convert to this for a break from the heat. Despite the wind and the clouds, it's still pretty hot out here when you're throwing bales, so. It's nice to have a variety of bales in the barn. Some for us, some to sell if we need to. Try to get this all baled up here, and then we'll be on to planting soybeans here coming up. See, these are some pretty nice windrows here. Decent size. We're not flying through this stuff. Slow and steady wins the race sometimes. So we've been baling here for most of the day. Haven't taken much of a break. I've been helping out with the cattle so that the farmer can keep baling. The farmer's son's been a big help today as far as running the small tractor and doing the small bales. About 90 degrees right now. A little bit of a breeze. Cloud covers seem to have gone away for us, at least for the time being. Getting the big horsepower out now, guys. The small tractor and the bale wagon over there. Horn's looking good. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video of us making some large bales here. As always, have a great day. Videotaping Daddy.
And we're bailing.
Raking ahead of him, and he is bailing behind me here. You can see him back there. But this is my first time running a tractor with an implement behind it for the most part. I don't get out here very often to do this, so let's see how it goes. Hopefully I'm doing an okay job here. Trying to get all this raked up and baled here. Watch too close. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. I'll try and splice it in with some of him baling and see what all we get here, but we're out raking. Trying to get this all baled up here today yet. We'll see how we do. it is my first time.